Back, 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 back again. Back, 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 back again. Back, 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 back again. Yeah. Well, I'm back, 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 back again. Back, back, back again. Back, 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 back again. I'm Triple T and I'm back again. There's always time for a cocktail. Hello, my legendary children. I'm gonna start this day off by making a cocktail. So I like to get a nice cold glass in the freezer and lots of ice. My cocktails are never really anything special. They're just simple. But today I'm trying some different stuff because I always buy these San Pellegrinos and like one of them is like $39 something. I don't know, they're kind of expensive. So I found this little guy, Mandarin Orange with pulp, was like $1.19. And then I was like, why don't I just start drinking with juice a bit? So this was cheaper. This, what is it, 1 liter compared to this 330 ml. But I guess this is San Pellegrino, you're paying for the brand, yada yada yada. Alright, so I also have some Citrus Chiss today by Western Family, and Perrier I had from last night. So all summer long I was addicted to those hard iced teas, but now I'm back on the vodka. Yeah, squad. Okay. So at work I've been having doubles, bad boy. Here we are, guys. Oh, let's fill that up sideways. Oh, just wonderful. Do I want a double? Lately I'm like, oh girl, make it stiff. Make it a stiff one. I don't know why I'm talking like that. Yeah, that's because the glass is kind of small, so it's like, okay, so I gotta, what am I doing, honey child, in heaven to Betsy? Okay, I'm gonna put a bit of this juice. I'm not sure though, because it's like pineapple, banana, orange, banana juice. Oh, the color, guys. Oh, the color is fabulous. Oh, that's so good. Did I shake that? Perfect for a cocktail. I have a little of this from yesterday. Just throw that in. I'm gonna open the new one. And this will probably explode on me, as it always does. Oh! Yep, she bubbled sideways. Okay. Let's give this whole girl a stir. Ooh, girl, she's spilling. Oh, that's nice with the pineapple, banana, orange. It almost gives it like a, with some mint. It almost gives it like a, oh, it's the pineapple. I was gonna say it gives it like a mango-y taste. Yes, my legendary child. Alright, here we are. Cheers. Oh, that's different. It's quite strong. But that's okay. Yeah, so the plan today is I want to try to see if I can find a Charlie Brown style Christmas tree here in the city. So I live in the city of Burnaby, which is actually pretty green. There's lots of parks. There's a little forest site across the street from me, a park site, which is called Delta Halifax Park Site. But there isn't, I had a look, there isn't really any that type of kind of like a Christmas tree style. So there is some woods farther down a trail, so I think I may go see if I can scope out a tree, and I will bring you guys along for the journey and we'll see what we can find. Alright, stay tuned. Cheers. And tonight I'm going to be making for you, but for me, buffalo wings, and I'm going to make homemade fries with parsley and garlic and salt. Oh, this. My neighbors are gonna hate me because of the smell, the fish sauce and the garlic. Oh, I got some chilies in there. Oh, let all this kind of cook off, marinate, become thick. Lots of garlic. Oh, delicious. Sideways. Delicious homemade Asian wings and buffalo wings. Oh, beautiful. Just wonderful. Well, hello, my legendary children. I'm back again. And I've been switching it up for you guys. My last video seemed to gain some momentum. I posted a few TikTok videos. I was surprised at 200 and some views for my Elvis Presley song, but 3 thumbs down. It's okay though. Whatever. C'est la vie. So I have buffalo. And this is kind of like a Vietnamese style wing. I just didn't have sriracha, but I put in some Franks instead. Does a trick. Oh, homemade fries with garlic and chopped parsley. Oh. So, I chopped my tree down. Crazy. I left it by the edge of the trail down the road there. I'm gonna go get it soon. I just didn't want to. Everybody's driving home around 5 o'clock earlier. I didn't want to be seen by people carrying a tree from the bushes. Oh. I told my friend, she's like, crazy. It's like, you chop down a tree. I'm like, yeah. If my friend can do it, I can do it, Jesus, it's fun anyways. I'm just really happy that I am into this year. But who knows? Last year I got rid of all my Christmas stuff. Oh wait, no. Last year, I'm so dramatic. Last year I put my Christmas tree away the day before Christmas. But, the holidays can be hard, especially as a single guy. We'll see how it goes this year. It is what it is. I'm alone, I'm single, so whatever. But this tree, I'm just basically going to put some LED lights on it. For the decoration, I'll figure that out, I guess. I don't have any decorations. I literally gave everything to my ex. I had a fake Christmas tree. I left it downstairs by the garbage for anyone to take. I've always been so weird with Christmas. So it's almost like what would make this year any different, but for now I'm good. I'm like, huh? Yeah. Mm. Ah. My neighbors probably hate me because this really. I used fish sauce, sugar, hot sauce, herbs, a little bit of soy. Yeah. Kind of makes like a sticky, like a caramel. Ah. So yeah, when I was a younger lad, I would have, any chance I could get, I would be at Superstore buying. I used to love the President's Choice spicy breaded wings. And I haven't had an oven, but I also had a toaster oven. Remember when toaster ovens were big? But yeah, I used to just cook my wings in a toaster oven. But I would have wings, Christ, sometimes 5, 6 nights a week. And then when I met my ex, it was like, you eat a lot of wings. I was like, oh yeah, we sure do. But the last couple of years, I don't eat wings as much. And even my wing quality, like, these look pretty good, but I can do better. I find my cooking this year has not been on point. I'm lazy. And my place is small. My dishes build up really fast, and I'm really slow at washing them. Went to the store yesterday, forgot dish soap. Went to the store again today, forgot dish soap. I'm like, oh. Stop forgetting dish soap. These are delicious. Oh. Mm. A little bit salty though. Probably the fish sauce. Mm. But when I make mine with the sriracha, these have a beautiful red color. So, I don't know if I'm going to do this, but I've been having this idea of having a camping Christmas. If I have the days off, I know for sure the 25th I will. That would be nice, I think. Wake up. Hopefully weather is fine. And just have a nice fire. And cook food. Maybe not even a traditional. I think that'd be too much work. Do a traditional, well, do like a chicken with all the fixins, like potatoes and stuffing. I used to cook like freaking gourmet foods camping. I would bring like So many times when I go camping, people would ask if I was moving. Are you moving? So many people. I'm like, no, going camping. But those were the days. I used to take so much stuff. Everything but the kitchen sink. And then, well, I've been camping for 10 years now. My stuff right now is so limited, so if I was to do a camp in Christmas, I need to buy a good shelter. I have one here, but it's a screen house. But it's like a tent style. So it's not really ideal this time of year with wind and rain and the weather. And it's more summer. And my tent tarp is kind of crappy. So I don't know. I could always just buy a tarp. Go to Canadian Tire and buy a tarp and just have that set up over my tent, because my zippers are broken on my tent. So my camping gear really sucks. I got rid of a lot of stuff. It's just because a lot of the stuff was so old. And it's not like most people, they probably buy a tent or 2 tents in their lifetime. I've had so many tents over the years. I miss having a big tent, because you can stand up. But having said that, it's almost too big. My little 2-person it's cozy. Get in there, it's little, feels interesting, but I don't know. At the same time, I'm like, I could be warm. Well, I'd be warm sleeping, but still, I'm outside. I'd be warm in my sleeping bag. But I'm getting old now, because I'm like, well, I could just stay home and be warm in my bed and comfortable in my bed. I did so many camping trips alone. It's crazy. When I think about it, I've kind of been missing that part of me. The part of me that was okay with the adventure. And people would always be like, aren't you scared about a bear? Aren't you? But the honest truth was, of course, it was in the back of my head. But which is weird, is because I'm so scared for other things like heights and like, different things, but that never scared me. I always just went out, and I was in the darkness. A lot of times it was on my mind. I'm like, oh fuck, if a bear came by, this would obviously suck. Hopefully that doesn't happen. But yeah, we can't worry. I just always enjoyed going out and just waking up in the morning and